Hello everybody, this is Elizabeth Hernandez from Unicatólica University, and this video is to help you with the activity from Text 3, Stage 4 Consolidation Activity. Like you see, you have to record a short video describing your favorite sport player and telling us why you like that sport. Below, you're going to find a very useful tool for me that is called a screencast. So the idea is that you have to get in and click on start recording for free. After that, you're going to find something called launch free recorder. So the idea is you click here, and when you finish, something like this is going to appear in your screen. You have to choose here camera web because I need to see your face, and then you have to click on the red button. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video.